Dear students, in this video, you will learn how you can change the location of your Facebook account. For that, open your Chrome browser and log in to Facebook. After you log into Facebook, click on your account. Now, click on your account here and click on Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings, then scroll down and click on Language and Region. From here, go to Region Format. You'll find an Edit button there. Click it. Then add the location of the country you want to change it to. I'll also select one here to show you. Then click on Save Changes, and this way, your location will be changed. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like and share the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon.